Turns out you can skip the product key selection. Anyways, we're going to accept the license terms. Then we click next, custom. We're going to install it on the 400 gig drive. We're going to format the 400 gig drive. Yes, I want to permanently delete it. So there we go. It's formatting, which is very nice. Wait, this is a 500 gig drive, right? Okay, yeah, apparently this is a 500 gigabyte drive. Interesting. Anyways, we're going to click next for it to install. And there we go, we're installing Windows. Okay, time to go check up on my Windows 11. Windows cannot copy files for installation. Make sure all files are available and restart the installation. Are you kidding me, bro? The installation was canceled. Oh my god. What the hell? I can't even restart it. You have to actually restart the computer. Wow, this is fun. I'll be right back again after doing this again.